Everyone, welcome back to my channel's news another news video. So today's topic is SNL's night streams on Square and Seat in Kannada. So let's dive deep into it. So Kannada's beloved variety show and SNL's has sequel broadcast as its beginnings of uh, SNL's will be available for streaming on Kannada. So first of all, we see that Kannada's late night TV's landscapes and getting major shifts. And landscapes is getting major shifts and fans for Saturday lives is have a lot of to be excited about. And in the big new mode, the iconic sketch comedy show has officially secured a fresh broadcasting and streamings, and home is Canada. So starting this fall, a new episode of SNL will be streaming on Brave the day after this air. While being broadcasting live on CTV, its dual platform approach is set to make the show more and accessible than ever for Canadian viewers. So for years, SNL's aired on global TV. But this shift comes a part of Bell Media True Border push to strengthen its entertainment lineup by bringing one of the most recognized comedy brands under an umbrella. Bell Media is clearly aiming to capture an wider audience and remain its positions in the streaming and broadcast space. So timing wise, this could be bigger than the show is Grave Ups and 2052 season Y is expected to premiere in just a few months. New episodes from the upcoming seasons will also add Saturday Night Live's collections. One killer giving fans for both fresh content and deep achieved its goal. So and these numbers breakup and excitement isn't continue to be most watched and unspiked series of Canada and especially among these adults age of 80 to 49. So that kinds of consistency proprietary makes each and valuable additions to any network lineup. So what is also interesting is how to deeply connected is the show is Canada itself and SNL's creator Tony Michaels and originally from this Toronto and over the years several Canadian comedy legends like Dance Aykroyd and Mike Mears has helped shape and show legacy. So while it sells American institutions, it always had a strong Canadian influence behind the scenes. Bell Media executives are clearly thrilled about this deal, and Justin Stokesman, vice president of Global Content, called a proud moment highly in these shows and cultures impactfully over these more 5 decades. And meanwhile, Sarah Weaver, who lead this accomplished effort displayed by Kiros and looking this agreement with NBC Universal. So this move also follows Wales and media recently and expansive of SNL's branding, including this DVD of UK versions and even past French Canadians and adaptations showing how to format continues to this involved globally. So for fans, the bottom's lineup is simply whether you are prefer watching slice of catching up this next day and Saturday Night Live is about becoming users and to watch this even in Canada. So the new seasons approach. One thing is clear: this legendary show is not anything soon, and now it's brand new home and keeping this love going strong. So that's so story.